as a chairman of the Committee on Public Order and Public Safety, the forthcoming Balikatan exercise 2026 in this city present both significant opportunity and critical responsibility for local governance. Actually, the Balikatan is scheduled from April 20 to May 13, but there is no military warfare exercise in Cagayan de Oro City. It's in Kalilangan, which is the biggest camp of Philippine Army in Mindanao. Dito ang military warfare. Nakaroon sa Pantalan na Philippine boat gakargala na sa mga equipments, and diya sa Philippine Air Force na mga helicopters, but all the US, not only US but Australian and Japan contingency are here in Cagayan de Oro. Full na atong hotels karon and restaurant na din karon sa Cagayan de Oro.
There are around hundreds.
So
Yeah.
the joint exercises, Madam Chair and my colleagues, involves the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the United States, Army, and Australia, and contingent from Japan. Most notably, the site is in Lumbia Airfield, no, as the hub military training, military exercise, and humanitarian assistance and disaster response preparedness. Dini sa Cagayan de Oro nila ang ilang humanitarian assistance and disaster preparedness. From this from a public safety standpoint, primarily concern to ensure that national security activities conducted within the city's jurisdiction do not compromise our civilian welfare, peace and order, and critical services. Now, while national authorities underscore that the exercises are defensive in nature and include community benefit programs, the scale of operations, presence of foreign troops, and heightened global tension requires proactive and local oversight, transparency, and interagency coordination. So Cagayan de Oro is the gateway to Northern Mindanao and will likely experience increase of security visibility, logistical activity, and public attention during the exercise period. Now, the role of the City Council, particularly the Committee of Public Order and Public Safety, is therefore to balance the defense cooperation with the city's duty to protect residents, maintain normalcy, and ensure preparedness for contingencies.